I missed it, but you guys will never guess what I got. It totally isn't another river flood warning or anything. Nope, not at all. I wasn't too lazy to clear the alert, so this is still rapidly blinking. I can actually... Usually whenever you go into the menu, it just turns off. My 400 just won't give up. I'm gonna turn all my events off. Let's try to find... Oh, God. Here it is. Nope. I thought river flood warning was its own thing in here. Well, here it is. I wonder if that cleared it. Nope. But I thought river flood warning was its own thing in here. I think I passed it. AVCDF trash can QRS. Yeah, I did. Oh, we got card, monthly test card, weekly test, and that is it. My 400 may be fast, but I can click faster. Okay, I'm gonna stop before I break my up arrow. Yeah, I just did. The pad is not level with the rest of the keys. What is National Audible Test? Whatever it is, I have it on. It's still flashing. Alright, I give in. You win.